One Suncoast doctor is bringing the gift of hearing to people under the poverty line in the Suncoast and across the globe. SNN's Nicole Samavilla has the details.
Can you hear me? Thankfully, most of you are hearing the sound of my voice. Still, many of us take this sense for granted. Suncoast Dr. Mary Thorpe helps people hear better in her hometown of Sarasota and all over the world. Suncoast-based Hear Care Audiology is a non-for-profit. Patients pay for their hearing aids by volunteering in the community. Eileen Olson of Hear Care says nothing compares to helping people hear who wouldn't have the finances otherwise.
The world is so big and there are so many people that have a greater need. And here in the United States, it's hard to see that.
So Dr. Thorpe set her sights beyond the Suncoast. Her team recently returned from helping patients in Guatemala.
And the minute you do, they have the biggest smiles. We call it hearing smiles. And on their faces, when you start talking to them, and they just light up, and of course your heart melts. When we were in Guatemala, one lady just cried tears and said she hadn't heard anything for so many years.
Dr. Thorpe helps children and adults. She says every age deserves the gift of hearing.
It's an amazing experience to know that these individuals are going to be able to hear better.
Their next trip already planned for August. She says the most rewarding part of her job, watching her patients hear for the first time. Back here on the Suncoast, patients under the poverty line say they wouldn't get the gift of hearing without this non-for-profit agency.
It's made a difference because I can't imagine what it would have been without it.
Dr. Thorpe says anyone in the community can help make a difference, simply by volunteering or sending in supplies. So if you do have any hearing aids laying around that you're not using, bring them down to Dr. Thorpe. In Sarasota, Nicole Samavilla, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
Dr. Thorpe and her team plan to go to Jordan, Africa in August.